Hello everybody, welcome. In this video I'm going to be teaching you how to use Janitor AI Proxy. So for that you need to make sure that your agent does have this proxy enabled option. So once it has it, it's going to be the best settings for you to work around with proxies. So the only thing that you should be keeping in mind is you should have this proxy option, and then you can click on continue latest chat or start a new chat, and once you are there you will be able to use Janitor AI Proxy. So you can ask it, is proxies enabled, just like that, and it is going to be answering you with that. So yeah, that's how you can use the proxy feature. By the way, if it does not clear that out, but you can see in the backend section the proxies are enabled on this character. So I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.